quick and easy drain field. Well, I won't say easy, but it's pretty quick. Drain field for a washer we got outside. Got a pipe running. Going out here. Got these two little drain field things. We're gonna hook them together. I've only got this about the holes maybe 17, 18 inches deep. To the top, these are roughly 8 inches. So I put just 4 bags of drainage rock in there. And then I'm gonna put these in, put the ends on. And got some felt put over the top to cover these little slots. This is where the water will drain out, as well as underneath, of course. And these take no rock or anything inside, so it's just air. And so it takes a lot less of these than, say, something you would fill with rock, like a bucket full of rock or something like that. The way they explained it to me is, take a 5-gallon bucket, fill it full of rock. How much water can you put in it? So this will allow for a good amount of washing in a row, hopefully. And we'll see. This is the end. You just cut a hole at whatever level you're at. And this is the back thing. So on this, you'll lock it down like that. That's the end. So on the front, like I did over here, inlet end, you just slide it over, and you've got the pipe sticking in here. And this you pull off, and you see these tabs in here. So you put that like that, so that when the water's trickling in, it won't like dig a hole or whatever when it's hitting inside. Now I've got rock in there, so that shouldn't be a problem, but I'm gonna do it anyway. That's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna put these together and I should be able to bury it. Oh, put the felt on, then bury it. All right, so I think the second piece just, all it does is kind of slide over there, and then that little lip just kind of locks in there, and there's the end cap, which does the same thing. You can see close here, just like that. That's it. Now I'm going to cover it with some like weed cloth or whatever. Be good to go. And these things are made like this where they can turn in case you have a bunch of them or you got to go around something or whatever. The weed cloth on there, I just tucked it down the sides. I used a little zip tie to kind of wrap it around the pipe. I don't know, hopefully roots and stuff won't get in there. So now I'm just gonna bury it, and I should have at least 6 inches of dirt over the top. Now that's only good if you're not having people drive on it and stuff like that, which is, most goes over this as a lawnmower, and I can walk all on this, so it's pretty strong. Should be fun. That's it.
And that's all, folks.